Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar and welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, today in this particular video we are going to see how to create a YouTube subscription link, so that once you click on that particular link it will directly get an option like whether you want to subscribe for that particular YouTube channel. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel, and please hit the like button if you really like this particular video. Okay, so let's get into this. So this is the topic which we are going to discuss today, how to create a YouTube subscription link. Okay, so let's take some example, not example, I will just show you directly how to create the subscription link. Okay, so just log into your YouTube channel. Okay, and click on this your profile picture and go to your YouTube channel, click on the your channel, then click on this particular image or your profile picture, then navigate to basic info. Here you can see your channel URL, copy that particular URL, then paste it into some notepad or anywhere wherever you are comfortable. So paste it here. So once you paste it there, you can type slash question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal to. Okay, so after typing your YouTube URL, that means your channel URL, and once you type or once you copy it here, you can type this slash question mark sub underscore confirmation is equal to 1. So then copy this particular complete URL, then now you can paste it in any URL. So once you paste it there, it will directly ask confirm channel subscription. Are you sure you want to subscribe to this particular channel? Okay, so this is how you create YouTube subscription link. Okay, so that's all about this particular video. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you and all. Thank you. Bye bye.